Jason with Floor Lord Industries. We're going to talk about the Vector Pro Series edger pad. The Vector Pro Series is better because it has two different settings, aggressive and not aggressive. The original flex steel was an inferior metal. It had stress cracks, it would distort and lose its shape. The Vector Pro Series comes with spring steel, which is a high quality metal. The adjustability is very simple on how it's achieved. As you see, the parts are outward. By just turning the device in a rotation, we are able to change the adjustment. This device increases your ability on making a finer looking product without having the struggles of working with the old school device.